Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging It channel. Today for this video of Logging It, I will be showing you how to fix battery draining problem on Xiaomi Redmi. Now to do that, what you need to do is you need to follow these step process. I will be explaining you few step process for how you can solve it. So first thing is you need to go to this setting on your phone device. In this setting you go to apps and notification, tap that. So basically you need to go to the notification section as each setting is different with the different phone. So make sure that you go to this setting and tap on notification. Tap on see all from the option, and here you will find the list of application that has enabled app notification. That is, you will get notified from these application. So from the list you need to turn off the notification option for the application that you do not use or you do not need those notification popping out on the notification bar. So I'm just gonna tap on few of them that are not required for me. Once all that is done, you go back to the main primary setting homepage, and here you need to go to the display. Tap on display. Now in the display section, what you need to do is you need to tap on the dark theme. Tap and enable the dark theme option, which will lead to the less use of the battery. Likewise, you need to tap on the adaptive brightness option. Tap that, and you need to make sure that you turn this off. With this, the adaptive brightness turning off, the screen brightness will not automatically adjust to your environment, and you need to move the slider manually to adjust the brightness according to your need. So this will help you adjust the brightness for a certain period of time. Now go back once again, tap on brightness level, and there you can see you can slide on the brightness section for the effective use. Going back to the main setting page, you need to go to the sound, tap that. Now in the sound section, you need to scroll down to the advanced setting, tap that. In the advanced setting, you need to turn off all the other sound and vibration option that you have enabled, like the dial pad tone, this is not necessary, and all the other setting that is not required for you, you need to turn this off. This will also help the battery draining issue. Now go back again at the setting homepage, you go to the location, tap on location. Now in the location, you tap on see all, and you will find all the list of application that you have enabled the location for. You need to turn this off for the application that you do not actually require of location. You need to turn off where the location access is not actually required. This will also help you fix the draining of your battery phone, as the background will restrict any application to access your location after this. So you can just tap on use location toggle off, and all the application will lose the location access. Going back to the setting home page, you need to go to the battery, tap that. Now in the battery section, you will find all the information about your phone battery. Here you need to tap on the battery saver, tap that. Now you tap on turn on now. Once you do that, the battery saver option will be enabled, and your phone will use less battery and restrict or turn off background activities after this. Going back to the battery home page, you will see the adaptive battery, tap that. Now you need to tap on the toggle use adaptive battery. You tap that, enabling the option which will limit battery for apps that you do not use often, and the battery draining issue will not occur. So these are the few simple steps which will help you to fix the battery issue that you're having on your phone device. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging It channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.